Oil is breaking out, silver is surging. Here's everything you need to know right now. We've been looking for this short squeeze, the pain trade to emerge. But right now, crude oil is hated. It is massively being shorted. All the CTAs, everyone are net short. Nobody wants to touch it. And that's actually my favorite setup, because when everyone is on the one side of the trade, then this creates the conditions and environment that pain trades seek, which is short squeezes and other things to force them to cover. These can be very violent, and they don't need to have a fundamental reason to happen. And that's what most people get stuck with, is that they keep saying, well, what's the fundamentals that are going to drive a $10 rip higher? And the reality is you don't need one. It just needs to have enough traders being squeezed out of their trades to create that. Now, if it is going to just be a short squeeze and a pain trade, then you also have to, at that moment, accept the fact that once that covering has happened, that deep reversion is often the result. So it is just a trading opportunity on the short term. I think to set up a long-term oil bull thesis will take into the deeper part of the summer after that upside surge happens. But right now, we've got the first couple of closing candles above the 50-day moving average. The entire flagging formation after the double bottom has nicely formed. And unlike silver and platinum, which have already ripped, oil is still a tactical entry here. We're only seeing the beginning of the breakout, making it a more immediate opportunity to see whether it actually follows through. And so let's see whether or not this breakout actually creates a feedback loop of short squeezing that really can rip on the upside. Silver was in almost a 2-month sideways consolidation, quietly sitting there, and we finally have seen now a bull breakout that has really set this in motion. It has broken out to a fresh new year high, actually multi-year high on this. Now the question is, should you buy? Should you chase this? Well, we love to buy dips instead of rips, so we are bullish silver here, but we obviously, as a brand new entry, would like to see dips to recommend on that. This measured move on the upside off of that short-term target is about 37 to 38. So at some juncture here, this is going to pause and consolidate, but this is a meaningful new bull breakout in silver, and traders should be paying attention to this, because I think that when a breakout to new highs like this happens, I just switched it to a weekly chart, this thing over the course of the next 3, 4, 5 months can easily make it all the way to $40 plus. Silver is definitely bulling. You want to be buying old dips on silver. Let's see how much momentum they can build. Similarly, there are other precious metals. Look at the way platinum has broken out. It was in an awful trade range for an extended period of time, and suddenly this extraordinary bull breakout. We've talked platinum before on our previous YouTube videos, and this thing has just been an amazing rip. It's just on fire here, and similarly, we're in the same situation as silver, which is, well, just because we identified that it's on fire doesn't make it a tactical new entry. We always look for some sort of consolidations or pullbacks from which we can call a brand new entry. At this moment, though, this is breaking out of a multi-year bear market consolidation, and so these things don't end in a month. And so with this breakout, we could be seeing one of these 3 to 6 month new bull trends getting underway. Similarly, this is a palladium chart. You can observe that palladium has been in an awful 3-year bear market. This is a weekly chart on palladium, and you can see that this breakout above 1,000 is just the beginning. This is, nothing's been missed here yet. Now, this is all about short-term. Where do you buy the short-term tactical pullbacks? That's the kind of stuff we cover in our membership. But definitely, this should all be on your radar. This is happening, and it's really interesting. That's your macro outlook for Monday, June 9th, 2025. Have a great trading day.